So we're here in lovely Etobicoke. Behind me, as you can see, we're installing a brand new door on our client's home. We've removed the old one. We're just getting ready to fix the transom. As you can see behind me, we've installed a custom-sized patio door for our client here. We've made the exterior black to match the rest of the windows in the home. We've also installed a wonderful transom above the door. Gentlemen are inside just putting on the final touches, installing the casing. They've caulked the exterior, so we're almost finished, and the client's gonna enjoy a lovely new, energy-efficient EcoTech patio door. So our installers have finished putting the final touches. As you can see behind me, this client has got a lovely transom above their front door. We can customize your entry door systems. We've got a wide variety of slabs, glass, and colors to pick and choose from. We also finished installing the custom-sized patio door. And like the front doors or entry door systems, you can customize the exterior color. And we've got lots of glass options for you to pick and choose from. So if you're looking to book your free home estimate, give us a call or go to ecotechwindows.ca. EcoTech Windows and Doors for a lifetime.